This is a variation on the previous theme of the cart and the wheels in a single object. I'm going to beef out the wheels and make them more complex to demo a selecting technique using Shift L. So I've now got myself some beefier wheels, and let's say that I want to make a copy, and let's say the body's a bit more complicated than it looks. So I want a simple way of being able to select all the things that are part of this wheel, but only the things that are part of this wheel. So I could do Control L and pick choice path type stuff, etc., and variations on that. But I've just discovered, again, thanks to our friend, what's it called, Infantia or something, Shift L. It was Shift L, wasn't it? Select linked. There we go. So the dialog is here, and now I click the uncheck the deselect. Then that selected everything to do with the wheel, but nothing to do with the rest of the object. It's only picked up the wheel mesh. So now from there I could do a Shift D and a G and a G, and I can move this off somewhere else, somewhere like that maybe. What does that look like? Yeah, that looks Robert Stevenson's rocket or something. So yeah, Shift L is my friend.